Hey, to take screenshot in your HP laptop on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just open Start on the taskbar and search for the sniping tool. So open it, but if for some reason you don't have this up on your Windows, on your HP laptop, you will have to go into the Microsoft Store, so you can still open it in your Start, and then input sniping tool phrase at the top, and be sure that you download this application. So download it, and after this you've got a few methods how we can capture the screenshots. So first you will have to actually select this icon. That's the icon of the screenshots, and now you can click to select new, and now you can pick, for example, the cropped screenshot, or for example you can pick your whole desktop by selecting this icon and then clicking on the screen with the left mouse button. So now as you can see, we take the whole screen screenshot. Now we can edit this screenshot by using these tools right here. So for example, we can draw something on it. But if you want to save it, just click on this icon to save as. And from here, you can actually pick the path. And in most cases, it will be saved into your screenshots. It's actually in the pictures. But you can also get it straight to your desktop, downloads, wherever you want. So then you will have to just click save and confirm. And there's also the keyboard shortcut. So you will have to click and hold on your HP laptop the Windows key, Shift and the S, and you will also open the sniping tool and you can pick and take the screenshot. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.